A bachelor's degree in healthcare management can open plenty of entry-level positions, especially if it comes from a college or university program certified by the Association of University Programs in Healthcare Administration.
Why do you need that?
Because the AUPHA certified programs require their students to complete an extensive internship in a healthcare setting. Towson University excels in its extensive internship program, which leads to the possibility of immediate employment after graduation.
We're Team 5, and we're here today to present you with Healthcare Challenge number 3. I'm John.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Sarah.
Jobs in health information management are popular in today's competitive job market. There are several functional benefits that have resulted from the implementation of electronic health records. In the past, there were information technology positions. However, due to the increasing number of the healthcare organizations evolving to EHRs, it is important to have personnel working with the technology that have a background in healthcare field. In fact, the American Health Information Management Association, also known as AHIMA, is the leading organization for health information professionals, which goals are to improve healthcare by advancing best practices and standards for health information management and to be a trusted source for education, research, and professional credentialing. The healthcare industry is not slowing down, and these jobs are in high demand. After graduation, I found a job as a clinical coding specialist. My responsibilities include reviewing patients' medical records for inpatient stays or outpatient encounters to assign standard codes for patient diagnoses and the services the patient receives. The codes are necessary for billing the patient's insurance plan and standardizing the data to ensure reimbursement. Other health information management jobs include coding associates, clinical coding specialists, health information management compliance specialists, and optical imaging coordinators.
A job in pharmaceuticals will be a good career path because people will always need and be in demand for prescription drugs. Pharmaceutical companies employ about 83,000 people, and it's the country's third most profitable economic activity. Medicines contribute enormously to the health of the nation. About 650 million prescriptions are written each year. This is a big industry to get into for several reasons. With technology to prolong life also comes the increasing health problems with age. These older people and those chronically ill depend on medication drugs to help their health and keep health problems under control. Another reason is the medicalization of society. This is the belief that every problem requires medical treatment or a pill for every ill. My job is working at a pharmaceutical company as a manager. I deal with the safety and effective use of drugs. This includes promoting quality of life, pharmacological interventions, and trying to reduce medical errors. There are also jobs as medical science liaisons who serve as info providers.
With the population of elderly people in the United States drastically increasing, there's going to be an even larger need for long-term care and elderly services in the coming years. Just by 2030, the amount of people aged 65 and older is supposed to double compared to what it is now. This will lead to huge job spikes in LTC services and private and public areas, as well as in-home health care for the elderly. One job that I was able to find upon graduation in the long-term care field was being a healthcare administrator for a major nursing home right here in the Towson area. The main purpose of my job is to ensure that every aspect of the facility I work for is running smoothly. While healthcare administrators in a nursing home setting typically do things such as managing personnel, processing admissions, managing finances, and keep up-to-date records of the facility services, at my job, however, my duties are to simply process admissions and help manage the finances. Since the nursing home I work for is quite large, we have multiple administrators who cover the other duties. As long as you have good management skills, are organized, and have a good drive, healthcare administration careers for the long-term care and elderly services are a great job opportunity upon graduation.
These 3 jobs in the healthcare industry are examples of jobs that are not likely to go away. The products and services will always be in demand and will be relied upon by patients who need them. We hope we have provided some insight as to what job opportunities there are in the healthcare management field for when you graduate.
Good luck on your job search after graduation.
The end.